Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Creality Ender 3S1. The Creality Ender 3S1 is the latest 3D printer in the popular Ender 3 series. It features a brand new design and several new features that make it the current overall best 3D printer under $500. It comes with an entirely new direct drive extruder from Creality, the Sprite extruder. It has dual metal gears that give you increased pushing force and help achieve better print quality with flexible filaments. The Ender 3S1 also has a built-in CR touch sensor that facilitates 16-point automatic bed leveling. This feature was previously found on more expensive printers and is a fantastic addition to the Ender 3S1, making it easier than ever to get great prints. The machine itself is also very well built. It has a sturdy aluminium frame that ensures stability during longer prints. The print surface is a magnetic detachable build plate that can be removed easily after printing. A simple bend and your 3D print will pop right off. Number 2. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. The Ender 3S1 Pro is the middle sibling in the S1 series and differentiates itself with some nifty features. Creality has included several advanced features in the Ender 3S1 Pro that make it a more user-friendly Ender 3 3D printer under $500. The S1 Pro keeps the same design as the Ender 3S1, albeit with subtle differences. The hot end is upgraded to print high-temperature materials up to 300 degrees Celsius, giving you access to additional 3D printing filaments. It also comes with a 4.3-inch full-color LCD touchscreen and an intuitive user interface for easy access to all the features. Compared to the LCD screen with a knob of the Ender 3S1, the touchscreen of the S1 Pro is a welcome addition. The spring steel magnetic pay build plate on the S1 Pro gives you excellent bed adhesion, durability, and easy removal of your prints. Again, an improvement over the PC-coated plate of its S1 sibling. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra. The Anycubic Kobra is the newest line of 3D printers by the Anycubic team. It is updated with modern features and priced conservatively, making it one of the best budget 3D printers under $500 available. The Kobra comes with a typical 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume that is sufficient to 3D print nearly all of your basic designs. Despite its low price, no compromises have been made in terms of build quality and stability. The Kobra is built with a full metal frame that ensures the machine remains sturdy during operation. Anycubic has integrated their Levic automatic bed leveling feature that calibrates the bed using a 25-point mesh, resulting in a perfect first layer print quality and good print bed adhesion. In our testing, we found this to work very well. Number 4. Anicubic Photon M3. The Anicubic Photon M3 is a budget resin 3D printer offered in the Anycubic's long line of resin printers. It is the base model in the M3 series of resin printers and comes with some of the best features in its category. The M3 comes in a modern-looking curvy yet boxy design that helps to differentiate it from other resin 3D printers. It includes a 4K monochrome LCD screen that outputs a respectable XE resolution of 40 microns. This enables you to execute precise printing and reproduce fine details on your intricate prints. Its 400:1 contrast ratio also contributes to that. Anycubic has ensured that the LCD screen stays usable for a long time, and hence the M3 comes with an anti-scratch protective film on the LCD. The build plate is also texturized to improve the success rate of your 3D prints and help with bed adhesion. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 3 Pro. The Adventurer 3 Pro is the top-of-the-line model in the Adventurer 3 series of 3D printers from Flashforge. It comes with many unique features that make it a great enclosed 3D printer on a budget. The printer comes with both 245 degrees Celsius and 265 degrees Celsius hot ends set to ensure you get maximum material compatibility. The build plate is made of carbon silicon crystal glass with excellent flatness. This helps reduce warping and curling, giving you better print quality. Additionally, the build platform comes factory leveled, eliminating any worry about the print bed leveling procedure before your first 3D print. To help you get started quickly, the Adventurer 3 Pro comes pre-assembled right out of the box. It also includes automatic filament loading, a filament run-out sensor, a quick change nozzle system, and a touch screen for convenience.